Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring where the bottleneck is. Run MSI Afterburner or Task Manager while stressing your game or workload to see CPU versus GPU usage. If the GPU is under 90% and CPU is saturated, you have a CPU bottleneck. If GPU is stuck low while CPU idles, GPU limits. Once done, switch power plans to high performance and set the GPU to prefer maximum performance in drivers. Then close background apps and overlays so measurements are clean and repeatable. Now you act on the data. Update GPU drivers and motherboard chipset, doing a clean install if needed to avoid driver conflicts. If CPU usage is the limiter, reduce CPU-bound settings like draw distance, physics simulation rate, and object streaming. This shifts load away from the processor. Conversely, if GPU is underutilized, raise rendering resolution, enable higher texture quality and anti-aliasing to push the GPU. Make sure to test between changes so you know which adjustment moved performance and why. Finish by deciding if software tweaks suffice or hardware is needed. If the CPU consistently caps performance, upgrade the processor or use higher frequency RAM. If the GPU stays maxed, consider a GPU upgrade. Use frame limiting or render scale to smooth frame times and reduce microstutter. If results still look wrong, inspect thermals, GPU and CPU throttling, PCIe link speed and BIOS, and reset the card. If temperatures or throttling appear, you must clean fans, reapply thermal paste, or adjust fan curves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.